Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to copy page to another project in Webflow. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to replicate a beautifully designed page from one of your Webflow projects into another? If so, you might have discovered that Webflow doesn't allow for a straightforward page transfer between projects. This can be a bit of a hurdle if you're looking to quickly duplicate your work. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through a practical workaround. The solution lies in copying the elements one by one, which might sound tedious, but with a little practice, it becomes a seamless process. Let's dive into the step-by-step method to make this as smooth as possible. To get started, you first need to open the navigator in the project that includes the page you want to replicate. The navigator is an essential tool in Webflow's interface. It presents a visual structure of your current page, allowing you to see all elements and layers organized in a hierarchy. Familiarizing yourself with the navigator is crucial because it will help you identify the right elements to copy. If you're new to this, spend a few moments exploring the navigator, as it will significantly streamline the copying process. Now let's move on to the actual copying process. You'll want to start by selecting the parent element that you wish to duplicate. In Webflow, a parent element acts like a main container for other elements, including everything nested within it. Think of it as an umbrella under which all your related content is grouped. By selecting this parent element, you create a cohesive group of content that can be easily copied. Once you've identified and selected your desired parent element, you're ready to transition to the new project. Next, navigate to the destination project where you want your page elements to be placed. It's vital to ensure you're on the correct page within this new project before you paste anything. This step is crucial to avoid any misplacement of elements. With the destination page open, you can now paste the element you previously copied. Keep in mind that pasting each group of elements requires attention to detail, as consistent formatting is key. Ensure that the hierarchy and style replicate the original design you intended. Although this repetitive task might feel a bit tedious, the payoff is a precise reconstruction of your work without losing any details or design elements. Continue this process, return to the original project, select more elements, and paste them into the new project. Patience and an eye for detail are essential as you work through this. Once you've gone through all the necessary elements, you will have successfully rebuilt the page in the new project. That's the method for effectively transferring a Webflow page from one project to another, step by step. With practice, this process will become more intuitive and manageable. Enjoy your creative designing journey in Webflow. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to copy page to another project in Webflow. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.